If you're on the hunt for versatile, high-quality cookware that enhances every meal, this Sensarte Nonstick deep frying pan skillet could be your perfect match. This skillet combines thoughtful design, high-performance non-stick coating, and versatile functionality, making it a must-have for any cooking enthusiast. With its durable structure and user-friendly features, this frying pan is engineered to simplify and elevate your cooking experience. Key benefits that make Sensarte Nonstick Pan a top choice. 1. Durability and longevity. With its high-quality materials and warp-resistant base, this pan is built to last, ensuring you won't need to replace it frequently. 2. Health-conscious cooking. The non-stick coating means less oil is required, promoting healthier meals without compromising on flavor. 3. Quick and even heating. Aluminum core and stainless steel base provide optimal heat distribution for fast, consistent cooking results. 4. Hassle-free maintenance. Non-stick, rivet-free design ensures effortless cleaning. 5. Multifunctional, perfect for a range of cooking techniques, from frying and sautéing to steaming and boiling. Why Sensarte Nonstick Skillet stands out? Whether you're an experienced chef or a beginner, the Sensarte Nonstick Deep Frying Pan Skillet is packed with features that meet diverse cooking needs. It's ideal for a variety of tasks, from sautéing and steaming to boiling and shallow frying. Let's explore some of its key features and why it's earning praise from users everywhere. 1. Swiss non-stick granite coating, unmatched cooking and cleaning ease. This skillet is coated with high-performance Swiss ILAG non-stick granite, certified by SGS and free from harmful chemicals like PFOA. This advanced coating ensures a non-stick surface that minimizes oil usage, perfect for health-conscious cooking. Cleaning is also a breeze. Simply wipe down with a soft cloth or rinse with water, and your pan is as good as new. You'll spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. 2. Cast aluminum core for even heating. The core of this skillet is made from high-quality cast aluminum, which offers fast, even heat distribution. This design minimizes hot spots and speeds up cooking time, ensuring your dishes cook uniformly and with maximum flavor. Additionally, it reduces energy usage since you won't have to cook over high heat to achieve great results. 3. Deep cooking surface and pour spout. Ultimate versatility. With its deep 3.5 quart capacity, this skillet is large enough to prepare family-sized meals. The spacious surface reduces spills and splatters, making it ideal for stir-frying, deep frying, and making sauces. The convenient pour spout is perfect for sauces, soups, and other liquids, reducing mess and making serving easier. Imagine sautéing veggies, then easily pouring a delicious sauce without any mess. Sensarte's thoughtful design makes every step simpler. 4. Stay cool handle for safe, comfortable cooking. The pan's ergonomic wood-grain Bakelite handle remains cool even on high heat, making it safe to grip while cooking. The handle also offers a comfortable, non-slip grip that enhances control and minimizes fatigue during cooking. Safety and comfort in one handle make this pan stand out. 5. Glass lid to lock in flavor and control splashes. The tempered glass lid allows you to monitor cooking without letting heat and moisture escape. Whether you're simmering a sauce or boiling pasta, the lid helps retain steam, locking in flavors and ensuring your dishes cook evenly. It's also durable enough to withstand high temperatures, giving you greater flexibility. Perfect for all stovetops, including induction. The Sensarte Nonstick Deep Frying Pan Skillet is equipped with a high magnetic stainless steel base, making it compatible with all stovetops, including induction. Whether you have a gas, electric, or induction stove, this skillet is designed to meet your needs, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Why limit yourself? This all-in-one pan is adaptable to any stove, ensuring you can use it no matter what kitchen setup you have. Imagine a pan that can handle anything from a quick sauté to a flavorful deep-fried dish. This Sensarte pan can do it all, making it your ultimate kitchen companion. What customers are saying. Customers rave about the skillet's ease of use, especially for complex dishes that require multiple cooking methods. Many appreciate the non-stick surface's durability, finding it effective even with metal utensils. The even heating and deep cooking surface also receive high praise, as does the stay cool handle that adds a layer of comfort and safety. Overall, the Sensarte frying pan has earned a reputation for being a practical and reliable piece of cookware. Final verdict. Is the Sensarte Nonstick deep frying pan worth it? If you're looking for a skillet that offers outstanding nonstick performance, durability, and versatile functionality, the Sensarte Nonstick deep frying pan is an excellent investment. Its thoughtful features and quality construction cater to a range of cooking needs, making it perfect for both daily meals and special occasions. This pan takes the hassle out of cooking, giving you more time to enjoy your culinary creations. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.